my name is Tyson, and the purpose of this video is to just show you my new gear for my art. Basically, these are erasers, rubbers, baba. So you can see that they are like pencils, they're erasers. So maybe I should test to see if they work. I can't find a pencil, so I'll have to trust that it works. No, I'll probably do it when I unbox the next part, the main part of my unboxing. This is the new gear and I haven't opened it. I don't know what's inside. I want to find out together with you. I just got this from China. And let's see what we have inside here. Woo! This looks nice. I'm probably never going to use this because it's too small. Let's put that aside. So by the way, just for perspective, the old gear that I've been using is this. So this is what I got for $9 in town. And it's been working well, although I'm missing like 3B here. Yeah, so, but this has been working. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what's new. Obviously, I do have the pencils. Although they're shorter now. I never had a 5-inch. Wow, this is amazing. 8B I do have, which is one of my favorites. What is this? 4B graphite. Looks so amazing. Look at the black. Wow. I'm excited. So these are the pencils that start from, I'm guessing that's a 7. Oh, sorry, that's my light. Just fix it right here. I'm not gonna cut it off. So that's a 6B. Where's the 7B? What am I doing? Man, come on. That's a light. It's giving me problems. Anyways, that's a 5B. Where's the 7B? Where's the 7? Should be there. No? Oh! We don't have a 7B. Okay. Anyway, that's not a problem. It smells funny. This stuff smells funny. I hope it saves. But anyways, this is what is this? It's so heavy. The weight of this thing here. Let's see. Just show you. That's a 6B soft graphite. This should be really nice. So maybe we can test the this guy here. This guy is a disappointment. We'll see as we go. But this looks nice. What is this? Charcoal soft. My God, the stuff that I could do with this. Ooh, this is nice. So the main thing, the most important tool that I've always wanted from the get-go is this guy here. Because this, I don't know what they call it. I'm just new at this. I'm not a seasoned artist or anything like that. But this allows you to show you. This allows you to basically extend your pencil. I don't know how you get it to hold. I'll probably figure it out. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. There you go. So now I have a longer pencil, so I can use it up until it's so tiny. This is so amazing. I'm so excited for this guy. This is what I've been waiting for. Of all the stuff that I have here, I've had pencils, I've had whatever these pencils are supposed to do, but this is a colored pencil. Anyways, this is what I've been waiting for, and this is what I'm so excited about, and I can't wait to use this. I can't wait to use up my 7B. It sounds like they didn't have a 7B. Yeah. Why would you not have a 7B? Like one of the most important. Anyways, I'll make a plan. So that's there. They call these blenders, I think. Y'all just need to, so you have to sharpen these. So these are blenders, 3 of them, different sizes. This is razor, sharpen my pencils. I like using these instead of a sharpener. Which takes us to the sharpeners. I don't know why we have one that's steel and the other one that's plastic. I guess it's for preference. If you like the steel one, if you like that. But anyways, I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to use this guy here. Okay, good. Moving on. So we've spoken about the pencils. What is this? Sandpaper, I think. So use. This is how you use this. Just kind of like that. I think that's what it is. It is. Charcoal. What is this? What is this? What is this? 4 Willow charcoal sticks. Charcoal stick. Oh my god! This is what I will use. I don't know what other people use it for. I would use this for the background. What I would do with these actually is I will... Oh my god. Wait a minute. I still have these. Ooh. Guys, this is so amazing. Eraser. I needed one. Let me show you what a needed one is. Needed eraser. This is a normal one. This is a needed eraser. I need this because it can. This is what it does. Bam. You can make it pointy. You can make it flat. You can make it a box. You can make it whatever. But you get the point. So this is a normal eraser. I have a lot of those. I just bought new ones here, so I'm not really excited about that. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what this is, and it's broken, as you can see. I don't know why I'm not worried that they're broken because I'm not going to use them anyways. I don't know if my audio is still working, but my video looks okay. It's too bright. You should have told me. So the last piece. What are these? I don't know. But that's the unboxing of my new gear. So I hope this means that you're going to get, I hope this means that you're going to get better results. Oh god, this thing, wow. I don't know why it does that, but it does that. Bam, 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 bam. So that's it. 9 minutes too long. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna take out some small pieces, but this is amazing. I'm so excited for this. Thank you. Bye.